Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be building my PC. This is so surreal because I've been saving up almost 11 months as a 16-year-old that works at Wendy's for a $2,000 PC. So, I'll show you all my parts in a second, but first thing I have to unbox my PC case, so let's get into that. A little bit of a dilemma. My PC case is right here, right? My monitors are right here, and my mic will be right here. But my thing is, I want to see all the pretty components that I bought. I moved this a little to the corner, and I have my PC right there. I think that's what I did. I think that's what I'm doing. But yeah, let me try and do that because I'm really scared.
I'm never gonna be good enough for you,
For this portion of the video, I'm so sorry if I'm lopsided, but for this portion of the video, I will be going like really close to my desk and like explaining like some of the process that I'll be doing. This is my first time building a PC, and I am not qualified to this is beginner friendly is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, let's get into it.
You're going to need an empty USB flash drive with at least 8 gigabytes of space, because this is what we're going to use to download the Windows. Consider buying a mouse pad from our store. An AV CPU on the AM5 socket. In this situation, the pins are on the motherboard socket instead of with the CPU. Go ahead and locate the triangle on the CPU itself and make sure not to apply any pressure or force the CPU down, as it can damage the pins on the motherboard. The cover should pop right off, but if it doesn't, you can simply remove it yourself. Now, if you're still in the contact, you hear the click. That's it. You're finished.
I wanna see you buzz down. Buzz down, Deaireonn. I'm a dog, woof. I go fast, zoom.
fully already in. All I have to do is the power supply, the 2 fans, and my GPU, and then I'll be done. Hi, it's Editor D, and I'm recording on like the mic that I brought in my last video. So basically, some of the footage of me putting the GPU in and doing the fans got corrupted. I know those are like the prettiest parts of the PC, but unfortunately, I do not have that footage. You will be able to see the rest of the PC though throughout this video. So yeah, let me go ahead and continue. It is what it is 1 o'clock in the morning, but I finished the PC at least. I don't even know if it's gonna turn on, so we're gonna do a first impression in like a second. So yeah. Yo, I'm in the dark. I'm so tired. It was worth it though. Hey, turn up! It's a party! It's a party! It's a party! Anyway, I'll do more shots in the morning. I'm so tired, and yeah, at least it turned on. I'll get into it later. Bye. Hi guys, it is the next morning, and basically my PC is like messed up right now. I don't know what is wrong with it, so we're gonna take it up to the technician shop at about 12:30 before I do have to clock in for work at 1. So yeah, that's what we have to do today, because apparently I didn't do it right, but it is okay. I just have to get dressed and move my PC to the living room, so whenever my grandma comes to pick me up, we have everything ready and I am not waited. So yeah, I'll see you there.